In this informative video, we uncover the power of Adobe Photoshop shortcuts that can revolutionize your editing workflow. Discover the top 10 most useful shortcuts that every Photoshop user should know. Ctrl+Z, the ultimate undo, quickly undo your previous action or revert changes. Ctrl+Alt+Z, step back in history, step back through your editing history to undo multiple actions. Ctrl+J, duplicate layers with ease, instantly create a duplicate of the selected layer. Ctrl+T, transform and resize elements, access the transform options to scale, rotate, or skew an element. Ctrl+Shift+I, invert selections quickly, invert the current selection to work on the opposite areas. Ctrl+Shift+C, copy all visible layers, copy the content of all visible layers to the clipboard. Ctrl+Shift+V, paste into selection, paste the copied content into a specific selection area. Ctrl+Alt+Shift+E, merge visible layers, merge all visible layers into a single new layer. Ctrl+E, merge selected layers, merge the selected layers into a single layer. Ctrl+Shift+S, save for web, quickly save your image optimized for web use. By mastering these shortcuts, you'll speed up your editing process, save time, and unleash your creativity. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced user, these shortcuts will take your Photoshop skills to new heights. Tune in to this video to level up your editing game. Thanks for watching. Please consider subscribing to support small creators.